Simantov from RS Globus with our work holding solution. In this video we're going to summarize all of our toolset, our products, what any user can achieve using our toolkit for stone setters, engravers and craftsmen. Like in the previous videos, we reviewed our clamp holder and how you can utilize it during your work and the features and the attributes it can contribute to you. The second model is our cone mount, how we can utilize that either in a micro bowl vase or a standard bowl vase using all of our attachments for rings, 4 cylinders, 10 expandable collets, large box for pendants and earrings, wheel for necklaces and watches. Using our small box, you can always transit from a horizontal position to a vertical position for all of our attachments. Our shellac handle that gives comfort and easy approach for all of our attachments that need to mount shellac or thermalock. Our Hexagon Base with our master key, applicable to use all of our attachments in a micro GRS bowl vase, standard GRS bowl vase, any kind of bowl vase, and using our hexagon handle, using it in your hands when you mount it. The next model that we reviewed is our curved key, that also compatible to work with our Hexagon Base and also can be utilized with all of our attachments right here. Our next option is our mini adapter with small key, also can be utilized to the Hexagon Base directly, or you can dismount the mini adapter and put the small key directly to the Hexagon Base, using for rings in 2 options, either with 4 cylinders or 10 expandable collets. Our 2 cones with seating for our bolts so it wouldn't stick out, for our expandable collets. Screw knob to use with our bolts, 3 bolts, 38mm length, 45mm length and 55mm length. Of course, our adapters for a standard GRS bowl vase, for clamp holder and cone mount. And last not least, our 2 holders, round holder and hexagon holder, for round stones and for square stones, in order to work underneath the halo to set stones for micro pavé for special design rings. All of our toolkit comes as a master set with our EVA case made out of carbon fiber with an insert firm where you can organize all of your tools very neatly. And a lot of setters I know, as myself, have a bench at the office and also have a bench at work to take some work home, do some extra. So this EVA case made out of carbon fiber is ideal to organize from the office all of your work holding solution in one place. Put your burrs, your gravers, your jewelry piece inside the mesh packet with a zipper, and either you close it and put it in a book bag, or you can use our handle and take it home with you. So everything is organized, comfortable and approachable, so you don't waste time when you come home and everything is ready and set to work. So I really want to thank you for watching all of my videos. You're more than welcome to visit my website at rsglobus.com. If you found value in my videos, please like, share and comment either on my Facebook page, Work Holding Solutions for stone setters, engravers and craftsmen, either on the Instagram or on the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.